Hello everybody, my name is Fahad and this video is about the left joint in MySQL. Alright, so okay, in the last video we have learned about how to use the inner joint. Alright, but in this video we'll be learning about the left joint. So what is the left joint? Okay, when we use the left joint in the tables, it returns the two things. Okay, the first thing is all the records from the left table or the first table, and the second thing is it also returns the record that have the matching values on the both tables, you know, the left and right, just like the inner joint. Okay, so let me just show you the code. How does it work? Select. Okay, let me just run this, you know, selected command. Not this one. Okay, now you can see here we have three columns in the students. Okay, the ID, student name, and the province. And you can also see that student department, we have the three columns: ID, department, and the semester. Okay, for any kind of join we must have a common column. Okay, common attribute, kind of common attribute. So we have a ID column for that. Okay, in the left join, what did I say? That all the records from the left table, so student would be our left table. When we just join the thing in, it will return us all the values from the left table. You know, it will give us 1 2 3 4 5, and also from the student department where the value matches. Okay, but the one thing here, the records or the rows that does not have the values, matching values in the student department, so columns from the right table would be null. Okay, so let me just show you here. Select semester from. Now you have to write the first table here, which is a student table. Alright, and now you would have to write left joined keyword. Now you have to write the second table, or you know, the right table. Okay, student department. Okay, now on. Now you have to write the common columns of the table, so which is the ID, student ID. So let's just run this code. Okay, here's the, you know, the output of our left joint. Now you can see here we have all the values which were available in the left table. You know, the ID number 1 and 2 were only available in the left table, not the right table. Okay, so in the left table we also have the columns that have the matching values on the both side of the table, so the data is completed here. You know, the ID number 3, 4, and 5 does have the department and as well the semester data. Okay, so this is how the left join work. If you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.